61-inch beer bottle beverage refrigerator cooler. First off, the overall dimensions. The length from left to right, we have 61 inches. Depth, 24.5 inches. Height with caster wheels, 41 inches tall. Without the wheels, we have 36 inches. Included will be a set of 4 keys, each for the pairing lock. Shelves also included, which can be adjusted to your level of choice, and a sticker diagram with the schematics and the ETL certification, all located within this refrigerator. Digital analog controller for your temperature adjustment. Light and power switch. Last but not least, this cooler has a 110/120 outlet connection, standard plug. For any additional questions, please give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more of our selection. Thank you.